Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the toggle editor in MyOpenMath. This gives you a quick way to add files and images to your problems. Let's add a new question, and in this question I'm going to go down to the question text and I'm going to click on toggle editor. When I click toggle editor, you can see that my menu is changed and I have an easy way to attach a file, insert a link, or add a picture. So let me show you how to attach a file. Let's give some instructions to the student. Now I'm going to hit attach, then I'll click on upload, and then I'm going to browse for my file. I'll just go to my documents, and in this case I'm going to insert this temp by hour Excel spreadsheet, and let's say OK. Now, if we quickly save and preview, you can see that there is an Excel sheet that we can double click and open. This would allow students to do work in Excel, then put the answer right back into the problem. This isn't regenerating, so if you want to do that, I would probably make a table just directly in MyOpenMath. But if you wanted to use maybe a big file and you don't want the students to have to type everything into maybe Excel or Minitab, this would give you a quick way to give them the data. So let me delete all that and let's try something else. Say we want to add a picture. So I'm going to give myself some space and I'm going to click on Insert a Picture. Again, I'll go to Upload and then I'm going to browse for my image. So I'm going into my pictures, and let's use this one that says Find Slope. Notice it asks for an image description that we want to do to have alt text. Let's come back and do that in a second. So notice now I've inserted my image and it's rather large. I can drag and change the shape. I can also see I have a y-intercept at 0, 1, and I have an x-intercept at 4, 0. So let's go back to edit the image and let's add that description. Let's click OK. Now if I toggle the editor back, you can see that it has my file and it also has the alt text. So I can tell that a screen reader is going to be able to read this, which makes the problem accessible for students. Of course, you'll finish up the problem, you'll put in the question and the answers, but I wanted to show you today the toggle editor because I think it'll save you some time when you're writing problems. Good luck.